Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series, perfect beginner's course to learn Afrikaans. Last time we did emotions. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon or follow the link below. Do subscribe if you enjoy our series. Les 42, byvoeglike naamwoorde, adjectives. This video is part of the grammar section of our beginners series. The byvoeglike naamwoord is a descriptive word used to describe the selfstandige naamwoord. A tip on how to remember that the byvoeglike naamwoord describes the selfstandige naamwoord. You can look at the end of the terms. Both have the naamwoord, so that's how you can tell. Let's look at a few sentences and highlight the byvoeglike naamwoord. Die mooi meisie, die mooi meisie. Mooi is die byvoeglike naamwoord. Die spelende kinders, die spelende kinders. Spelende is die byvoeglike naamwoord. Notice how the byvoeglike naamwoord describes the selfstandige naamwoord. Byvoeglike naamwoord has the following four features. Can be used literally and figuratively. Can be inflected, has degrees of comparison, has the intensive form. Let's go through these features. First, can be literally and figuratively used. Letterlik en figuurlik. Letterlik en figuurlik. Letterlik means how it actually is. For example, die motor is duur. Die motor is duur. Duur is letterlik, but die motor is. Figuurlik is descriptive language, not how it really is. 'n Mens leer deur dure ondervinding. Hier is duur figuurlik, want dit praat nie van geld. Second, byvoeglike naamwoord can be inflected. Byvoeglike naamwoord kan verbuig word. Verbuiging, verbuiging. This means that the form of the byvoeglike naamwoord changes when used in certain sentences. For example, you have the byvoeglike naamwoord hoog, hoog. In this sentence it is inflected, die hoë muur, die hoë muur. Third, degree of comparison, trappe van vergelyking, trappe van vergelyking. The trappe van vergelyking are very simple. You have 3 degrees. 3 trappe. Die stellende trap, stellende trap. This is the basis form of the word, like slim, slim. Then you get the vergrotende trap, vergrotende trap. Slimmer, slimmer. And also die oortreffende trap, oortreffende trap. Slimste, slimste. This is the pattern that is normally followed. If a word has more than 3 syllables, then instead you get meer and mees. For example, volwasse, meer volwasse, mees volwasse. Lastly, the intensive form, die intensieve vorm, intensieve vorm. This is when the basis word becomes an unique compound word to creatively describe something more intensely. We made a full video on this if you want to check it out. Here are some examples. Vet, spekvet, vet, spekvet. Droog, kurkdroog, droog, kurkdroog. Glad, seepglad, glad, seepglad. This should give you an idea of how the byvoeglike naamwoord can occur in Afrikaans. Hoop julle het hierdie wonderlike video geniet. Next week, vrugte, fruits in Afrikaans. Should you want private one-on-one lessons, worksheets or more, please visit our Patreon or follow the link below. Do watch this video again to study effectively. Baie dankie. Sharing, liking and subscribing will help our channel a lot. Comment any questions below. Bye.